Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look and see if you can use the case on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now you can see, if you look at this, they look exactly the same, very similar in terms of size. They're very similar. So let's see if we can actually put the old case on the Galaxy S22 Ultra over to the Galaxy S23. So here's the case. I'm going to place it right in. You can see here, looking at the top, it fits perfectly fine. Everything all fits into place, except at the back here. If you look carefully, you can see it bulk up a little bit. This is because the camera at the bottom here is a tiny bit larger. So if I zoom right in, you can see it is just a little bit larger. It is downwards a little bit, and that kind of like stop the case at the bottom from going all the way in. And even though it's almost perfectly fine to use it, however, just because of this bit right here, that will cause you not to be able to use the case unless you want to kind of like cut a little bit out at the bottom here. If we cut it out near the bottom, you should be able to use the case. It seems to be fit perfectly fine. The bottom here are all in perfect shape, so you can have access to your S Pen. You'll be able to use the speaker here, the charging port, and the microphone is all in the same place, so that's fine. At the top here, there is a microphone. It is not in the same place, so that may potentially cause an issue. So while you'll be able to use the case, but it is blocking the microphone at the top here, so you may need to drill or make a small hole over here. If you want to use the case, you may need to make a small hole right here on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Apart from that, it fits fine in terms of the width and the height. It fits fine, but the camera at the back here will cause the case to bulge up a little bit. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.